Hello everyone, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on our Unclaimed STC standard tool. This tool is easily accessible from the navigation bar. Under your Unclaimed STCs tools, you'll find Unclaimed STCs standard. Once selected, you'll be presented with a list of cases for you to review. The MedVault system has screened your practice management software to try to identify consultations with the terminology that indicates that a STC may have occurred. It then immediately cross-references these cases with your payments to identify cases where it looks like a consultation has occurred with an STC with no equivalent payment. It then presents these cases for you to review in the cards below, where you can mark them either to submit or reject. So let's take a closer look at this particular card. In this case, it's been marked for LARC insertion removal. We can see from the appointment type and the consultation notes, it looks like Marina inserted without issue. So this looks like a good candidate to be submitted. So let's mark it to submit. When marked to submit, it immediately updates, and we can move on to the next case. So if we review the notes associated with this case, we may feel that it isn't suitable to be submitted, to be claimed for, so we'll mark it to reject. Again, it immediately updates. Where do these cases go once they've been marked? You can see up here, we can switch between claim list types. So we'll just move quickly to the to submit list. Within the to submit list, you'll find all the cases that you've marked to be submitted. Within the rejected list, you'll find all the cases that you've marked rejected. The idea being that a member of staff will work through all the cases within the for review list, mark them to submit or reject, and then once they've completed that review process, they will work through the to submit list and submit those claims to the PCRS portal to be paid for. If we take a closer look at the layout, we can see in the top left hand corner the total number of review cases and the potential value of those cases. We can see we have a filter here to look at specific STCs. At the moment, we'll continue just to look at all STC types. There's also a filter here for the GMS doctor. So if you have multiple GMS panels in the practice, you may want to focus in on a particular GMS panel. So you can easily do that here. In this case, we only have the one demo doctor. Also, you may want to look at only STCs between a particular period. So in this case, it's actually looking at everything from the start of 2021 up to May 2022. So let's look how we would adjust that. So we'll look at June from the 1st of June, pick the first date, and then we'll go to December 2021 and we'll work up to the end of December. Once we set that, the system will automatically update, and now you only see cases that fall within that time period. Okay, so that's the guts of this tool. Just to review the workflow associated with it, on a monthly basis, the MedVault system will screen your system and identify any cases where it looks like an STC has occurred but hasn't been claimed for. Then we recommend that a member of staff come into MedVault, go to this particular tool, work through the for review list, mark them to submit or reject. Once that's completed, go to the to submit list and look to submit those cases to the PCRS portal to be claimed for. In this way, the MedVault system acts as a safety net for a practice to ensure that all work that is being completed within the practice is being claimed for and paid for. We hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Thank you for your time.